While my memory could be compared to that of a goldfish, this old dude here remembers every step of the equation. So how do these memory keys actually work? Well, it's that simple. You input a number, then press the memory plus key, and voila, the calculator stores the number in its memory. But how do you actually use this function to your advantage? The most common way to utilize the memory keys is to store some intermediate calculation and then recall the result at a later point in time. This result should then participate in another calculation. That being said, you can perform a calculation and tap on the memory plus key directly instead of hitting the equals sign first. Then press C to clear and start over, now using the result that is stored in memory. Press memory recall to place the number stored in memory into the calculation. On some calculators, like this one, there is a memory recall and clear button to wipe the memory by double pressing it. Others have separate memory recall and memory clear buttons. To wipe everything, there is the all clear button. Now I will show you how to use the memory keys plus and minus signs to perform calculations directly. Add a number to the memory, then clear. Input another number, then tap memory plus and memory recall. The numbers will be added. The same can be said about memory minus, which makes the number negative. As you can see, when we recall the number, there is this minus sign on the display below the M. Well, hope I was helpful, thanks for watching the video, and I'll see you again. Subscribe.